Oh, my dear learners over there, this is revisionug.com. As I told you, we are now moving on to our section B, mock examinations. That is MUKONO Municipal Council. So I welcome you from that short break. Let us continue with our session of revision series. This is Revisionug. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, our number 21, it is telling us, or the examiner wanted us to find the number whose scientific notation is 3.8 times 10 power 2. Scientific notation, this is a form of writing bigger numbers in a condensed way in order to use a small space there. Okay, so when you look at 3.8 times 10 squared, this is same as having 3.8 times 10 times 10, whereby 3.8 is same as 38 out of 10 times 10. Now 10 times 10, that is 100 by 10, 1 by 10, you remain with the 10. So we have 38 times a 10, which is giving us 380. Okay, so that was very simple. Here you are given a bonus mark and accuracy, 1 there. Oh, so let us now see our part B. Part B, this is about indices or components there. So we are having 3 power, oh, this is like 8, gosh, no, it has to be clear. We have 3 power k times 3 equaling to 81. So when you see this one, we are going to first prime factorize 81 so that we write the factors in power form. So 81, so the first factor is a 3, which is giving us a 27. Then by 3 here, it's a 9. How many 3s are in 9? There are 3. Then how many 3s are here? A 1. So this is same as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 power a 4. Therefore, 3 power k times 3 power 1, obviously, is equal to 3 now power 4. So 3 power 4 is same as 81. Now, when you go to indices, we have rules governing them, and we sum them up into what we call mads. Mads means when you are multiplying same bases, you are adding the powers. So this one, when you are multiplying bases, same bases, you are adding the powers, and when you are dividing same bases, we are going to subtract the what? The powers. So right here, we are multiplying same bases, therefore we are going to add the powers. Then we are going to have 3k plus 1 is equal to 3 power a 4, meaning that the bases are the same, meaning that even the powers must be the same. We don't cancel. No, we just compare. So k plus 1 is equal to a 4. So k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to a 4 minus a 1. So k is equal to a 3. Oh, 3 marks are awarded there. Okay, so let us now continue and look at number 20, number 22. This is a set concept. Now, they are telling us that in a home, 4x members eat beans. In a home, 4x members eat beans. All of them, they eat beans. Some they are here. Bean set is this one. All of this one here is for beans. All of this one here, like this one, is for the beans here. And all of the members there, they are 4x. Then some eat rice. Some eat rice. 8 members eat both beans and rice. Intersection here. And 13 members eat rice only. 13 eat rice only. Then they are saying x minus 3 members do not eat any of the 2 types of food. So they are neither. They don't want beans, they don't want rice, and they don't want both. So for them, maybe they want meat, which is not on the menu. So they are here, but they are part of the family members. Now they are telling us that use the above information to complete the Venn diagram. Now the Venn diagram, it requires us to get this one here. Now to get this one, it means that when I get this one plus what is here, I'm getting 4x, meaning that the total number of those ones who eat beans, take away the number of those ones who eat both beans and rice, the balance will be for beans only. Now when we come to this one, they want me to get the total number of those ones who eat rice. So when I get 8 plus 13, I'm going to get the total number of those ones who eat what? Rice. So now we are going to have 13 and then 8. So when we add here 8, 9, 10 and 11, so we are getting 21 members. So we have finished to complete. Dear examiner sir, we have given you the answers. Give us our marks. Number 2, part B. Given that 14 members don't eat rice, find the total number of members in the home. Meaning that we are having this scenario. 14 of them, they don't eat rice. 14 members don't eat rice. So meaning that all of these ones ate rice, 13 ate rice and 8 ate rice. But now when you look at 4x minus 8, when you add on x minus 3, they are the members who did not eat rice, and they sum up to the 14. So now we are forming this simple equation. So we have 4x plus x minus 8 minus 8, which is 14. 5x minus 11, because 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is negative 8, negative 3. The negative increases to 11. So plus 11 is equal to 14 plus 11. 5x is equal to 25 there. If it is 25, now we are going to divide by a 5. We divide by a 5. So x is equal to, by 5 1, by 5 here, a 5. So x is a 5. Now we need to know the total number of members in the home. So for those ones who ate beans, they told us that those ones who ate beans only, so these ones who ate beans only, they are taking 4x minus 8, which is 4 times 5 minus 8, which is 20 minus 8, and it's going to give us, and it is giving us 12 members there. Now when we come to those ones who ate rice, all of them, they were 21 members. When we come to those ones who did not eat, so the neither part of that one, we are having x minus 3, which is 5 minus 3, which is a 2. Now total number of family members here, total number of family members, it is now a 12 plus a 21 plus a 2. So our side work somewhere here, we are having 21, we have 12 and a 2. So this is 4 and a 5, and this is a 3. So it's giving us 35 members. Therefore, dear examiner sir, there are 35 members in a family, or in that home. Oh, good of you. Number 23, this is a construction number, my dear learner. You have to sit with your compass, pair of compasses, a ruler and a sharp pencil only. Now they are telling us that we have to construct, we have to make that parallelogram be there. Remember, a parallelogram is a twisted square, rectangle. It's just like this one. This is a parallelogram. Now this side is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this, and these sides are parallel to each other. Now when you look at this parallelogram, it has diagonals. We have this diagonal, and also we have this diagonal. Now these diagonals, they are intersecting, so they are perpendicular to each other. When I say perpendicular, they form, if this is the diagonal and this is the diagonal, they meet at 90. So 90, 90, 90, adjacent 94 of them. So now when they have told us that we have to construct a parallelogram ABCD, we have to do what? To sketch this. Now how do we sketch? Now this is a parallelogram, and it has to be A, B, C and D. Now after that, they are saying that such that AB is the side, and this side here is 7 centimeters. Then BC, where are you seeing BC? Now BC is a diagonal. Are you seeing that? Now BC is a diagonal, and it is 5 centimeters. And again SC, we have SC, and this SC, we have AB. So this is AB, and this is the diagonal AB. Then again from there we have BC. BC is this one, and they are telling us that, and SC, where is SC? SC is this side here. Now this side here is going to be 10 centimeters there. Okay, so this is our our parallelogram. So now we are going to make sure that we change this one into, we change a bit so that this base comes here. Then we make our parallelogram. Let me draw it when it is so they have given us sides. They have given us sides, and also they have given us sides as well as the one diagonal here. Now if this is A and this is B and C and this is D, so AB it is 7 centimeters. Then we have SC, SC, this is SC which is 10 centimeters, and BC, where is BC? And this BC here is, and this BC is 5 centimeters. Now what we are going to do is this. When we are constructing this, we are going to first make our line, this one, line A and B. Actually, you measure 7 centimeters. Then after measuring 7 centimeters, you're going to stand here and make a 10 centimeters. Are you getting that? You can stand here, then you make an arc where 10 centimeters are going to be. And now don't make it like this. You have to stand here, then measure and make an arc where 10 centimeters are going to meet. Then after that, when you make that arc where they are going to meet, remember we are having what we call BC. Now this is A, now this arc is at a C. Then we are also going to make an arc which is for BC. Now we are going to measure 5 centimeters, right? Here you measure 10 centimeters, you make an arc. Then after you come here, you make 5 centimeters, you make an arc, and that arc crosses there. So you have to make this arc when it is too long, so that when you bring this one, it passes through this one, then it goes like that. Now this one will also come and also meet that one there, because it has to go there, just like that. Now after that, we get also this is the diagonal going there, and again we are going to have another side. This other side here, it is of 7. Now meaning that these 5 centimeters they have to meet. So the 5 centimeters over the diagonal, they have to meet with the 10 centimeters, whereby this will be the arc. Then this is where this will meet. Now this side here is equal to this side, also we make 10 centimeters. Then where the 10 centimeters do meet, we also make sure that the 7 centimeters do come and meet with this one, then they meet there when we form a diagonal. So if you have not understood, please try to contact us on our platform social handle medias, or you can contact us via the WhatsApp, or you can just go to our website revisionug.com. You will see more of constructing. That was what was required of you. Number 24. Number 24, they are saying that Anyait bought the items below. She bought 4 kilograms of sugar at 3,500 shillings per kilogram, a half kilogram of salt for 1,000, 2 bars of soap for Y shillings per bar, then 3.5 kilograms of beans for that amount of money. Now here they are saying, how much money did Anyat spend on beans and sugar? Now we need to get money he spent on sugar. How much sugar did she buy? So she bought 4 kilograms, and at how much? At this one. So we need to get we are going to use our simple triangle here, and this simple triangle we complete it like this one. So we are having the Queen of Uganda. We need the total cost. So total cost of sugar is equal to quantity times unity cost. Then this is quantity is 4 times the unity cost, which is 3,500 for each kilogram. So 35 by 4, this is 20 we put here, this is 12, 13, 14. Now this is 140, then we add on our 2 zeros as shillings for sugar. Now we come to the beans. Now beans, they are here. She bought 3.5 kilograms, of which they are equivalent to times plus here, this is 6 and 7. So 7 out of 2 kilograms. So we need the total cost, which is a quantity times the unit cost, whereby the quantity is going to be 7 out of 2 kg, then times the unit cost. Each kilogram was for 2,800 shillings by 2 by 2400. So we are having 1400 by a 7, this is a 00, this is 28 we put here, this is 9. So you come up with the 9,800 shillings for 3 kilograms. Then they want us to get the total cost for that too. Then the total amount for the beans and sugar we are going to add 14,000 shillings here. We add there 0, 8 and 9 shillings. Then what is the total? 0, 0, 8, 9, 10, 13 we put here, and 2. So she spent 23,800 shillings on the 2 items there. Okay, let us now proceed and see question B. Now question B, they're saying if a night spent 38,800 altogether, find the value of y. Now what is this y? This y is for the let us first take back here and see that y is for the bars of soap, and she bought 2 bars of soap, and each bar was cost her y shillings. Now let us take the bars of soap. Now we need the total, which is quantity times unit cost, which is going to be the quantity, the 2 bars, times the amount of money, which is y, which is 2y. Now to get the amount of money she spent on soap, we have to first get, this was the total money she used to buy the 3 items. Now this total money, we are going to get this money and take away, we subtract the other total money for the 2 items. Therefore we are going to get 38,800, take away the total amount is spent on the other 2 items, which is 23. Now we have 0, 0, 8, 3 and 2 shillings here. So what are we going to remain with? 0 and 0 and 0, comma, then this is 8 take away 3, we remain with the 5. This one take away 1, 2, it is 1. So it means that she spent 15,000 on soap. Therefore 2y is equivalent to 15,000 shillings. We divide by 2, we divide by 2 here. Now y is giving us by 2 1, how many 2s are in 15? They are going to be 7, remainder 1, which is a 500. So each bar of soap was bought at 7,500 shillings as our soap which we sell at school, made by other cabinet members. Okay, so we are going to look at number 25. Number 25, the instructions are, they are telling us that the tanks below contain the same amount of water. The tanks below contain the same amount of water, completely full. Use them to answer the questions that follow. So the guiding statement is here. They have the same amount of water. So always when you're answering, attempting section B, you have to read and internalize what you've read. You have to understand. Now that is our keyword. Let us continue. We are having a rectangular tank and also the cylindrical tank. So they are saying find the volume of tank M. Tank M, which is cylindrical. Sorry, this one is for the height here. Now volume of this cylindrical tank is equal to base area times the height, whereby the base area of this one, it is length by width times its height. Therefore we are going to have 80 centimeters times 21 centimeters times 55 centimeters. So let us multiply well. Let us start with 21 by 55. 5 by 1, 5, 5 by 2, it is a 10. 5 by 1, a 5, 5 by 2, it is also a 10. Now this is 5 and 5. No, this one has gone off. Let me extend it here a bit. Let me extend this side work. Let me put it this side. This is 55 by 21. So this is a 5 and this is a 5. This is a 10 I put here. This is a 10 and it is 11. When I add this 5, 5, 1, 1. Now from there we are going to multiply that with 80. But we are going to first keep our 0 here. Now we bring our 8 here. Now this is 40, we put here 4. This is 40, 44. Now we put here 4. This is 8, 8 times this one, that is 8 times 1, 8 plus 4, it is 12. We put here 1. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, that is 9. So we come up with 92,400. Because we have kept our 0 here, so we bring our 0 back here. Now centimeters cubed. Okay, that one is done. Oh, let us move on. Now they are saying work out the radius of tanker Z. Now tanker Z, to get the radius of tanker Z, we are going to use the formula for volume. Now, how do you get the volume of that cylindrical tank? The volume of the cylindrical tank is given by base area times its height. Now, what is its base area? The circular form, which is pi r squared times the height. Now, what do you know about this? They have given us pi, we have the height, we don't have the radius. But again, they have told us that the volume of this tank is equal to this one. Therefore, this amount here is equal to this one. So we are going to use this one, substitute in here. 92400 is equal to 22 out of 7 times r squared times 150 centimeters. Now, this 7 cannot divide this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply all the numerators. So that is 150 by, okay, let us take a 22 by 15. We keep our 0 first here. This is 10, I put here 10, it is 11, it is a 2 and a 4. Now this is 0, 3 and a 5. I add on my 0. Then here I'm going to have 92400 is equal to 5300 r squared centimeters out of 7 times 7, then times 7. Then from there I'm going to come here. Now this is going to be 7 times 92400 centimeters cubed, because this is a volume. So it's going to give us 5300, because when we multiply this one by this is 5 by 2, it was 10. We put here 5, this one it was a 10 plus this one 11, this is a 2, then this is a 2. Then when we have this one, let us multiply. This is a 1 by this one, it is this 2, then 1 by this one, it is also a 2. When we add, we have a 3 and a 3. So this is going to be a 3 and a 3. So this is going to be 3, 3. And again, 7 times 9 to 2400 is equal to 300 r squared centimeters. Now this is 7 across with this one, so we divide by 3300 divided by 3300, this with this one. So our r squared is equal to 0 by 0, 0 by 0, then by 3. Yes, we take a 3. Now by 3, 11, then by 3 into 90, that's going to be a 30, remainder 2 by 3, a 6. Yes, a 6. Then by 11, 1, how many 11s are here? There are 2. Now if there are 2, that is 22, 20, that is 30, 22, remainder, what is there? By 3, oh sorry, this was by 11, it was by 3, 11, then by 3 here it is 1, then here we have a 0, then here we have a 1, then we have a 0, and then by 3 here we regroup. Here we have, now this is a balance of 2, then as we have the balance, then we put it here, it makes it 24. Then that 24, so we have 24. Then that 24, then this 24 here is giving us 8. This one, remainder, this is an 8. Now if this is an 8, then by 11, 1, how many 11s are here? They are going to be 2 11s, that's 22, then 22 remainder 8, then this one becomes 88, then 88 by 11, it is 8. So we are having 7 times 20, 80 centimeters cubed, giving us r squared. So we are now going to multiply 28 28 by 7. This is going to give us 196 centimeters squared. Remember, 1 centimeter cancelled with this centimeter here. Now we are having r squared. So what next here is to get the square root. So 196 square root is equal to r square root of r. So r is equal to 14 centimeters. So the diameter, the radius, therefore the radius of that one, the other tank, is 14 centimeters. All right, you've been a